Hey everyone, it's December 5th, morning market rundown here, and we have new all-time highs. It's an uptrend. It, it's nonstop right now. So this was the potential scenario we mapped out. Maybe we get a push yesterday, a flush back down, and then start to reclaim the VWAP. Right? And we look for some type of consolidation of the VWAP and get back above. So if we take aftermarket data off, right, we have a little flush down. It didn't come down to this 2-day VWAP, right? Flush down, reclaim the daily VWAP. So what we're looking for is this is that area where we're looking to participate, and we have our stop at that low a day once we reclaim the VWAP. And those that like patterns, here's your inverted head and shoulder. All I see is a sequence of lower lows and lower highs, change to a rally to a new high, and higher, and transfer to higher highs and higher lows. After that rally to a new high and reclaim of daily VWAP, innocent until proven guilty. If you accept that a risk on the balance, you're still in and you're rewarded. So, what's a potential scenario for today? Well, it's very similar. Maybe we're going to get, let's delete this. Maybe we're going to get a little push back up to yesterday's high, chase it up a little bit, then come back in, digest back to the 606 2-day, 3-day VWAP, 605, consolidate, and then maybe this could carve out the higher low. So we'd be looking like for the 2-day VWAP, maybe something like that on that 2-day VWAP. And then our daily VWAP, if we do, would be kind of looking like this. And then maybe we look for something to participate for a lower risk setup. So with that's a potential situation. I'm going to be monitoring for the SPY. And if this breaks and doesn't start to break that VWAP or breaks VWAP, starts to reclaim and gets going, innocent until proven guilty. So monitor situation for that. We got the 606.33 level underneath the 2-day VWAP. We got the 3-day VWAP at the 605.31 right underneath this VP cluster, and that week to date volume weighted average price Monday's VWAP at the 604.69 area. So let's clean some of this up just so we have a cleaner chart. And that's the potential situation on the SPY. Let's get into the QQQ. New all-time high. Talked about the reclaim of the anchor VWAP, and it was textbook play here. Reclaim of anchor VWAP, we're off to the run. So now we have the map out from yesterday. We're looking to see if we could get a little flush in here to back to the 2-day VWAP reclaim. It just showed strength. It just continued up kind of in this first situation and never actually broke down. So this was out of play, right? And you could see how VWAP was innocent until proven guilty, and that slope was rising. So let's see today's scenario. We could see right here is the week to date volume weighted average price, and that this would be the 3-day VWAP. So we're monitoring to see if this pulls back to that 2-day, maybe undercuts it at that 519.58, and then could start to rally back above and get this continuation. So that's our price. So we could see here, we could fill this little VP area. Maybe it wants to hold the 2-day VWAP and hold this 521.57 area at this VP cluster. So if we do break here, reject, maybe we're getting a little bit more profit taking into this gap at 517, a week to date volume weighted average price. And this could be an area to set up a bounce opportunity. So then potentially if we bounce from up in here, get back above, and then can start fueling. And it'll put an anchor at this high, and it would anticipate it to start to probably get some consolidation here, and then we could risk this recent low, depending on where we want, here or here. And that would be, so if this does flush out, look for a rally, getting back above daily VWAP at this 520 round number, or to stop potentially at 518, 517 for a further push into new all-time highs. Continue to watch that upside strength. And if you like this morning market analysis, please like and subscribe.